Hotpoint washing machine with a tumble dryer. We practically were fed up to have to wait to dry things in the house, and it was really difficult, not easy. So we ordered this one, we get rid of the old one. And it has an 8 kilogram capacity, 8 plus 6 for drying, I suppose 6 kilograms. And how much we paid for this? It's a legitimate, it's not advertisement, we have actually paid for this. We bought it from where?
John Lewis.
John Lewis.
And it cost £400.
Yeah, and they came and installed it, take the old one and they installed it. They cleaned it even for us.
Yeah.
They even cleaned the area on the back. It was horrible, I don't like it.
Yeah, the delivery was on time. They called us 20 minutes before they got here.
And they didn't keep us waiting because usually they keep you all day.
Yeah. They said between 11:45 and 1:45, and they came about, what was it, about 11:15.
Yeah. And they did it perfectly.
They did it, they were so good.
So
good.
efficient,
Yeah,
we are really happy. It's an Ecotech, a Hotpoint WDAL 8640 Aquarius. It has a, I don't want to have very high safety because at the end of the day, if it is broken, at the end of the day, if you want to repair it, it doesn't worth to repair. It's better to buy a new one. So don't go for very posh, expensive one because if they break again, they will cost a lot. Don't go for a very cheap one. Just something in the middle of the range.
We always
like
get
that.
mid-range. We get value for money.
Yeah.
Always get value for money.
You don't have much to lose if it just breaks and you want to repair it.
Just because something is expensive doesn't
I'm telling you,
mean
in Britain it
expensive.
costs more than buying a new thing just to repair it. So it's better to go for the new thing. So this is the manual.
Yeah.
What came with it? Can I see what is with it? Oh, a beautiful. Oh, a pack of Ariel cleaner. And inside it also is the smart tips for smart clothes, Hotpoint. And okay, what is the rest? Yeah, we have to read it. What's the next one?
It's washing capsule.
What is the other thing that is there? Oh,
That's
okay.
the 10-year parts guarantee.
Okay, I don't want to show that. I don't want to. Show me the energy efficiency of this.
The energy sufficiency, less efficient, energy consumption. Oh, it shows you the consumption.
Oh, okay.
So this is more efficient and it goes down with the power.
What is
you
hours?
Oh God.
I think it was A. I remember in the website. But anyway, we can check it later. What is the other papers inside that?
Look, it gives you whatever performance on whatever you're using.
Oh, okay.
So if
it
you're
cannot be the
using
same always.
for cottons, naturally it's going to be higher. If you want more efficient, you put it on eco and it'll be lower. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What is the rest of the stuff?
Well, I don't know. I'm just getting it out. Welcome to the Hotpoint service. So that's the maintenance services that if we need it.
Oh, beautiful kitchen range you have.
Yeah, this is just the different ranges of stuff that you can get.
You can buy from Hotpoint.
Hotpoint's good. I've had Hotpoint. I've had things for Hotpoint.
How to install it? They did it for us. We didn't need to use it because that's part of the service. John Lewis, when we use it, this is the way they deliver it.
These were the attachments.
And I noticed the price is the same as everywhere else, if not cheaper, and the quality is the better. They don't get just bad crappy stuff. Oh, that is A. That is A. Energy efficiency of it is A. Look on top.
Yeah, there it is.
That's A on top. It's written on top.
Hotpoint A.
Yeah, that's the highest efficiency. So practically, this is very efficient, and doesn't have much noise. The other one, we could not really keep the kitchen door open because there was so much noise.
Yeah, and this is the wall attachments, I think.
So, can I tell you that? Are you happy with this purchase? And the delivery and installation. Taking the old one was really good.
The thing with John Lewis is that you haven't got to mess around with the manufacturer.
And I have experience when we bought something else and it has a very tiny fault in it. I mean, bulb was burnt or something.
Yeah, the microwave.
They eventually came and just gave us a new one, take the old one.
We brought a microwave after.
And I did have the receipt, probably 9 months before that I bought it. Yeah. I don't remember it. I didn't remember it.
Well, they just came round and swapped, didn't we?
You just gave a new one. Anyway, that's great. Great service, great washing machine. Hopefully it will be serving us, especially with the tumble dryer. It's something that we really need this season, huh?
Yes.
Do you think so?
Well, we've got a tiny galley kitchen and a washer dryer are perfect. It's better to have a single washing machine and a single tumble dryer, but if you're short for space, you haven't got a choice, really. But if you get one, the best thing to do is to get a 14,000 revs per second, and or is it minute? 14,000 revs per minute instead of 12 at the highest, because the clothes will be a lot drier.
Yeah.
And it'll be more efficient at tumble drying. So you can make concessions for that.
Brilliant. So we cannot do an unboxing because the workers did it for us.
They certainly did.
John Lewis delivery people did the unboxing.
They took the old one away. They charge a little.
They installed it also. They usually tell that you have to install yours. They
But the
installed
thing
it
is, with these,
with the plumbing and everything.
they installed it. It's good value for money. They installed it. They took the old one away. We've got a 2-year guarantee on it. That they would replace it or full money back. So yeah.
Yes. Can you explain about this time-saving function in this washing machine?
Yeah, it's got two. It's got the time saver that you can put it on when you're using it, and it's automatically cut to 3 hours off the washing. And then it's got economy that starts it at
Does
night.
it affect in any way? Is it any worse than the normal function? Or
I found it a lot better than the... It's got a big drum, and I found it a lot better than the smaller drums. But if I could dry my washing outside, I probably would have chosen a different washing machine. But it's for the tumble dryer that I mostly prefer.
because you live in a flat?
We live in a flat. We've got no balcony or no garden. So when we put the when I put the washing on, I need a big drum.
Yeah.
So when the clothes get tumble dried, they don't get creased. So
Oh, I
we've
see.
got
There is
quite a big
clothes,
drum. I think they're already washed.
Okay, just put it down and let me see what it... Oh, what's that magical thingy? What is that? Is a laundry basket you have?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like
Okay,
magic.
this is the washing that's come out from this morning. And as you can see, it's what I put in this morning, and it hasn't... It's dried perfectly. It hasn't creased.
Okay, don't show our shorts
There we go. Just fold it up and put it in the...
in the drawer. That's
Drawer.
ready. Thank
But
you.
that's it.
This is the Hotpoint washing machine. As you can see, it's very good. We really had no problem with it. The only thing that we had was that the filter of it gets stuck. So all these lights, when you turn it on, it reaches this stage, and all the lights were amber, yellow color. Turning on, it will not go any further than this. So what we learned from online is that, from the manual, is that the filter is blocked. So you have to remove this front panel. What you use is a flat screwdriver. Push it in 3 spots. Flat screwdriver like this. Push in 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. These flaps, which are holding it, they will come off. And when it comes off, you have to twist it. I'm saying to you that twisting this is not easy. You can turn a little bit, but you have to use something like this tool that we have here. And when you use that and anchor it in between this, you can easily open it. It depends on what is stuck there. I'll show you what was stuck there. These are the stuff that we have found there. We have allotment. We go to allotment. We have this kind of things in our pocket, cable tie, a zipper, attachment of a zipper, piece of wood, cardboard, wood, plastic, label, all kind of things. And when you clean that, your dishwasher hopefully will be working better. So what you will do, washing machine. So what we do now is clean. Here, let me turn on the flash, we can see what is inside. As you can see, the inside of it is clean now. And it's good for me also, I can see inside now. And what you will do with a little rag, you clean inside what is inside, everything removed. You wash this filter also under running water, you dry this so the washing machine will be nice and neat. Then when you push it back, you twist it clockwise, lock it. Then what you will do, you put this on, pressing it in a spot, it will slide in this space. At the moment I'm using one hand, so I cannot do it, finish it. So when you see such a thing, flashing of light, and the stage, it stays at this stage, no matter what program you do. The only problem is that you will have some flooding here. If you have already tried to wash something and it reached this stage, adding water and everything, you will have flooding. It's not as bad as you think. You just put something, a bucket or something under it, collect the water, then with a glass of water or something, you know, even a small pot, you can remove the rest of the water. And when you open this, you will not have a bigger flood. And in the meantime, you put the washing here and the other rubbish that you found inside here. And you save a lot of money by that, and time, you know, it's not just money, it's annoyance. And hopefully that will work now. I'll show at the end.
Excuse me, but it will save money if you get the electrician out. Yeah. It would cost a hell of a lot of money.
Yeah.
If you know how to do a simple job like this, it could save you in English pounds about £200.
At least, yeah. That's the price of a, practically you pay the price of a...
You pay £100 just for call out.
Yeah. The price of a washing machine can be anything from 170, 200 to 300, 500. So practically it's a good saving if you do this. I'm now turning it and installing back the filter. You have to really go dirty when you're doing it. And now when it reaches this, between 6 and 12 o'clock, the position of that handle here, and that means your filter is secure. Now the only thing remaining is to put this filter back, this set back. So the correct way is this way. Oh, I have to push it up. Oh, I have to use two hands.
No.
What has to happen is that this part has to go into here. There is a matching part here, matching part here. The similar points exist on top, but that one thick, yeah, we fit it. Now we have a working washing machine again. We just need to clean it, hopefully, yes, hopefully. Running a dummy spin, just to see how it will be.
And it's on the spin, so we're going to...
It's already on the spin.
Wait a minute, somebody forgot to put on the...
Oh, electric. Oh,
yes.
Before all of this, don't forget to turn off the main fuse. All your, if you have access to the plug, unplug it. If you don't have, turn off all the things that are
turn
to the
it off
kitchen
at the mains.
or a larder or wherever your utility room.
Turn it off.
So remember, before doing any of these things that I showed you, you have to make sure that these are pulled out. So when you pull them out, they're like this. When they're in, they're like this. So you put them back. And now everything is black. And that's the main fuse back. Don't skip this stage, otherwise you may electrocute yourself. Please be careful. Okay, here we go again.
Yeah, right. Okay.
We are going on the spin. Let's see how it will work.
Hope so.
Okay, it's making a noise.
Okay, it's pumping, but there's no...
Hopefully everything that we extracted from there is helping it. Otherwise...
Yeah, it's spinning.
Is it spinning?
Yeah, it's spinning.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it, it's done. It's done, it's finished.
So, it must drain. You want to go to the stage? Or none of these lights, it should reach this stage.
Yeah.
And if the lights are not amber...
If they're all amber... You've got a problem with the
filter.
Yeah, now it's very difficult to see where the filter is.
Yeah, the filter is here.
It's all along here, this is it. You have to take this bottom bit off. Not like the cooker, if you see the cooker.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing under the cooker, but you can think that there's nothing under here. It's just a protective sheet.
Yeah.
But it isn't.
In the better ones, my mom used to have a Kenwood, and in Kenwood, there's just a little door here. You open it and clean it. That's easy. This one, they just wanted to hide it a little bit.
And in one of my old machines, before we married when I was a single lady, the filter was here.
Oh, that's even easier.
And the other reason is where you can see the
This
filter.
will not drain.
That won't drain.
Yeah, you will not have flooding problem.
You won't. That is not rinsing. Yeah, so it'll just keep filling, and no rinse, no drain. And as you can see, my wonderful, lovely, jubbly husband has actually repaired my washing machine. Oh, one more thing.
Yes, please.
Yes, come on. Now this is his, but this is mine, yeah?
Okay.
This is mine
It's
because
medium.
it's a medium-sized dress. So I cannot deny that everything that's put in
I had to
here
pull some of this
is
one
his.
with a plier. I had
Yes.
to turn it around it and twist it
Yeah,
out.
look.
It was not easy.
That's
It's a
something
long
like this.
So I recommend, for avoiding this problem in future, if you have anything like a zipper, if you have anything like a bag that has zippers or a shoe that you want to
Put
put
them
there,
in a bag.
put them in a bag or a pillowcase, easier
And
pillowcase.
definitely, if you have a husband that loves gardening, always empty
Check
his
their
pockets.
Yes.